Artificial intelligence is transforming biotechnology from drug discovery to quality control. Today, I'll discuss how AI is revolutionizing regulatory sciences and reshaping pharmaceutical approval. The pharmaceutical industry is at an inflection point. AI is actively reshaping how drugs are discovered, developed, and regulated. With over 500 AI component drug applications to the FDA between 2016 and 2023, and the FDA's January 2025 guidance, the sector is shifting from experimental to mainstream integration. AI accelerates drug discovery, compressing target identification timelines from years to weeks through algorithmic analysis of massive data sets. Machine learning models predict molecular behavior and toxicity with precision, screening compounds before expensive lab testing. These advances are significant. AI-related R&D spending is projected to reach $30 to $40 billion by 2040. Yet, the regulatory landscape is the true story. Regulatory agencies have historically been conservative, built to evaluate drugs, not algorithms. The FDA's draft guidance on AI for regulatory decision-making fundamentally changes this paradigm. The agency is establishing a risk-based framework that permits innovation while maintaining safety standards, benefiting both industry and patients. Pharmaceutical companies are leveraging these opportunities, with regulatory submission timelines contracting dramatically. Artificial intelligence-powered document automation has reduced drafting time by 50%, accelerating overall submission timelines by 40%. Quality control improvements are striking. Merck's Vision AI systems have achieved over 50% reductions in false product rejections. Post-market surveillance is reinvented through AI-driven pharmacovigilance. Pfizer's AI systems managed unprecedented COVID-19 vaccine adverse event reports without proportional staff increases. Natural language processing tools scan medical literature and social media in real time, detecting safety signals. Algorithmal vigilance is now proposed as a compliance requirement. However, the regulatory pendulum is swinging towards scrutiny. The EU's AI Act classifies healthcare AI as high risk, imposing stringent validation. The UK's MHRA is developing AI-specific medical device standards and launching a regulatory sandbox with the NHS. International harmonization through frameworks like the M15 model standardizes how AI validation evidence must be presented globally. The critical challenge for regulators is speed versus surety. Traditional processes evaluated fixed entities. Artificial intelligence systems are not static, they learn and adapt. The FDA's guidance requires change control plans, continuous monitoring, and data refresh protocols. Companies must demonstrate their AI system remains reliable as real-world data continually flows through it. The ethical dimension is crucial. Training data bias in AI models can perpetuate healthcare disparities if not mitigated. An AI model trained on unrepresentative populations may produce suboptimal treatment recommendations. Regulators require bias audits and mitigation strategies. AI's integration into pharmaceutical regulatory science is inevitable and beneficial, but only with rigorous transparency, validation, and sustained regulatory engagement. Companies embedding AI and compliance will outpace competitors. Regulators must evolve frameworks to ensure innovation and patient protection advance in concert. The pharmaceutical industry's AI revolution is not coming, it is here. I'm Sherman, and topics like this, the intersection of AI, regulatory strategy, and pharmaceutical innovation, are at the core of what I discuss regularly. If you found this analysis valuable and want to stay updated on these critical developments, I encourage you to follow my channels. Thank you for listening, watching, and sharing.